Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of updating your home Wi-Fi password right from your internet router's settings. To kick things off, you need to find your router's unique IP address, which is typically printed on a sticker located right underneath or on the back of the physical router itself. Open up any web browser on your computer or phone, type that exact string of numbers into the URL address bar, and hit enter. This will immediately bring you to your specific router's secure login page, where you will need to input the admin username and password, which are also usually found on that same sticker, unless you've previously changed them. Once you are successfully logged in to the main dashboard panel, look closely at the navigation menu and click on the section labeled Wireless, Wireless Security, or simply Wi-Fi Settings. Inside this menu, look for the field that says Security Key, Pre-Shared Key, or simply Password. Delete the old existing password out of that box, carefully type in your brand new secure password, and make absolutely sure to scroll down and click the Save or Apply button to lock in your changes. Keep in mind that the moment you hit Save, every single device currently connected to your internet will be instantly disconnected, so you will just need to go into the network settings on your phones, TVs, and computers, select your Wi-Fi network, and type in your newly created password to get back online.